Hey guys, today I'm going to be using a different piece of equipment you haven't seen before, on my channel anyways, and that's my 3-point backhoe back here. I'm going to be running that on my b3201 Kubota, and that is a bhm5600 backhoe. It's a pretty cool backhoe. You can put it on any 3-point hitch and it runs off of your PTO, and today I'm going to be digging out some stumps with it, so check it out. Okay, so I've gone over the tractor before. We got a b3201 Kubota. It's a 23 horsepower. It's the smallest compact tractor they make. Not the mini compact, but the compact tractors that they make with 23 horses. They said you need at least 18 horses to run this backhoe, but really I want to show off my backhoe. So it's a bhm5600. I believe I bought it off of Amazon for probably $4,000 or $5,000 2 years ago. I checked today, I see it's about a $6,000 machine and had it shipped directly to my door. So I bought this 2 or 3 years ago, like I said, to install a septic system, and I installed an entire septic system with it. So I'm not going to give you a review based off of a without use. So I got the 12-inch bucket. It's supposed to come with the 10-inch bucket, but they didn't have a 10-inch bucket. They only had 12-inch buckets for it. So that's what I put on it. All right, let's see how powerful. Actually, let's get up close here and take a look at it better. So here's my little 12-inch bucket. Okay, it's kind of just going. It still has plastic on it. I never took it off. This thing's been sitting outside for 2 years in the rain, and it still fires up every time. You might be most interested in the controls here. Got an adjustable seat belt that doesn't get used. Now I do like that it hooks up right here to your PTO shaft, and you have to chain it on there. Now I do know this hose here keeps busting up against my 3-point here on one of the sides, and I know that hose is going to spring a leak shortly. But again, I've been using this for about 2 years. I don't use it very heavily, but when I do, I use it a lot. When I got this thing, so the only thing I had to get for it was hydraulic fluid. I didn't have hydraulic fluid, so I put tractor fluid in it, and it worked, but I wasn't happy with the power that I had. So I wound up draining it out, and I went out and just got regular old hydraulic fluid from Tractor Supply, Amazon, Roll King, wherever you get your hydraulic fluid from for your tractor, and put it in it, and the thing had more power than with tractor fluid. So tractor fluid, for some reason, didn't have as much power as I thought it should have had. So more power with the hydraulic fluid. Let's go ahead and start digging out some stumps. Hey guys, before I get started here, I want to show you what I'm trying to dig out. So this was an old tree, maybe a 4-inch stump. There's a little 2.5 inch stump right here. Another one over there, another one over there. That's what we're working on. video. You get the size of these stumps. I don't have a tape measure on me. That was a small tree. That's my biggest stump I took out just now. It's about 6 inches by 4 inches maybe. The others were tiny little 2 and 3 inch stumps. You saw I pulled them out with 2 or 3 swipes. That last one there took a lot of digging to get it out. That's still only maybe 10 minutes. I have to check my camera photo, see how long it actually took. But maybe 10-15 minutes to dig that out is what it felt like, to all those stumps out. Imagine doing that by hand. I would have just left them there to rot if I didn't have this thing. One of the things I actually do like the most about the bhm5600 is tripping over one of my stumps and almost bashed my head open. But anyways, that would have been fun if I actually did that, and then I could have posted that, right? Maybe you guys would watch my videos. But one of the things I actually do like about the bhm5600 backhoe is because you don't have to have hydraulics on your tractor. You can have an old Ford tractor with a PTO, no hydraulics. It plugs right into it, so it's good to go. That's what makes it so versatile for me. Now, I didn't really need that because I actually have hydraulic hookups, but this was like $5 grand, $6 grand, and the Kubota loaders are like $13,000. So I saw no point in actually going that route when this really does a good job, and it's all I need. All right, I'm Jay. It's my to-do list. Thanks for stopping.